But you see, if you try to increase immunity and you want a bit of energy at the same time, the grapefruit and the carrot juice are the perfect juice for you. And you see, when you combine them ingredients together, some of the nutrients them we are going to get from it, you're going to get beta carotene, folate acid, vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and many more. Yes, people, FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but very effective video. Now, let's talk a little bit about each of the ingredients and some of the benefit them what them have to offer. I'm going to be adding 2 grapefruit to this juice. And so the grapefruit, it is low in calories but high in nutrients. So my nutrients them, where you get from the grapefruit, you get fiber, protein, vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, manganese, and many more. The grapefruit, it may benefit our immune system. It may promote appetite control. It has been shown to help with weight loss. The grapefruit, it may prevent insulin resistance. Eating the grapefruit, it may also improve our heart. It is high in antioxidant. It may reduce the risk of kidney stone. And the grapefruit, it is very hydrating. But you see, one of the most important things about the grapefruit, it is easy to add to our diet. Then I'm going to put 3 nice sized carrots to this juice. So you see some of the benefit that we can get from the carrot. The carrot is good for our eye health. It is a good source of antioxidant. The carrot can also support our heart health. It can support our teeth and gum health. The carrot, it can also treat wound, improve with brain health. It can also fight cancer. It can support with digestion. It can support with ear and with skin health. And it can also lower our risk of developing diabetes. Then I'm going to put a nice piece of ginger into this juice. And we know so the ginger been around for time, and there's loads of health benefits we can get from that. Some of the benefits them, it can treat many forms of nausea, especially morning sickness. The ginger can help us with weight loss. It may drastically lower blood sugar and improve heart disease risk factor. It can help to treat chronic indigestion. The ginger may significantly reduce menstrual pain. It may help us to lower even our cholesterol level. It contains a substance that may prevent cancer. It may improve our brain function and protect us against Alzheimer's disease. And the ginger, it can also help to fight infection. So now, let's just get down to the fun part and make the juice. As you can see, I'm going to use my juicer for this juice. I'm not going to use the blender. So I'm going to use my juicer. So the first thing what you want to do, you want to cut up the ingredients them so it can fit in the juicer. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to peel off my grapefruit. Because I don't really want to juice the skin. So just get a rough peel and just cut it up in some small pieces. And then set it aside. And then you're going to deal with the carrot. And as always, make sure say your hands them clean. Make sure say the things them wash. So all of the dirt and the germs can wash off it. Just like that. Then we're gonna have a bowl, and as I said, just eat some small cut. Then with the carrot, just peel off a carrot quickly. So here you have it, people. I'll go ahead and just peel the carrot and the ginger just to save a bit of time on the video. So now we just need to cut them up into some smaller pieces, which it can fit inside our juicer. Here you have it, people. So I'm gonna do, I'll just move this to the side, and then we're gonna start the process of making the juice. So let's go. Yeah, so here we have it now, people. This is where we left with. So what I normally do, I normally get a container with my strainer and then just strain it off. You can drink it as it is, but normally I just like to run it back through the strainer just to get out anything. So quite impressive. Yeah, that's it. Just get your spoon and just stop and give it a taste. See what it tastes like now. Yeah, that is nice. Definitely I gotta do the job where it's supposed to do. You can taste the strongness of the grapefruit, but then just in time you just get the carrot and that little hint of ginger. So let me just get a glass so you can have a look at the finished product. Just get my chopping board. Get a nice glass and let me just throw out that goodness inside it. That's lovely. That's nice. Put a couple of ingredients then beside it. Just decorate it a bit. Just like that. So there you have it, people. That is the final product. Grapefruit and carrot with a little bit of ginger. And don't forget, if you are trying to build your immune system, these are the perfect juice and it also can help with your energy. If you like the video today, just give FadaGugs a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. And as always, remember to share it with your friends, share it with your family, just share it all over. But for now, until next time, FadaGugs is out.